Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before we started today, we will be doing a fidget. You never heard me talk about fidgets? Fidgets. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 fidgets here, not 10. 5.
You
5
don't
fidgets.
have 5?
One's your one.
No.
Aww. Now I've got 4. Eeny, meeny, money, more, catch a potato.
Is anything else mine?
No, everything else is mine. That's mine, that's mine.
I'm counting them.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's my brother right there. Right, so, Aston, you go back to playing your video games.
No.
Go play your video games. No, go play, high school. I'm gonna start off with my first one that I got. So this little pig, now this isn't really a fidget. This is really just a stretchy guy. Stretch his head. Oh, it's squished. Stretch his arms. Now this was a school. This was a school thing. I got it for a prize. He's very squishy. I'm gonna have to give it.
His legs are broken.
No, it isn't. It's just covered in hair that makes it skinnier. So I like it how it's like really rubbery and stuff, but it gets dirty easily when you're playing with it. It's really small, which I love because you can just hold it when you don't even want to hold it. You don't even realize that you're holding it. I'm gonna have to give this an 8 out of 10 since when you start playing with it, it just gets all dirty. So put that one to the side. Now you guys are wondering, why does she have that? Oh,
I don't know.
not many YouTubers have them.
Isabel, where's mommy?
Upstairs.
So you didn't know, you don't know Esther?
Okay. So
Huh?
now this is a
You know
weird
what
one
mommy is?
that it isn't a
Because
fidget
next
toy
time
that I
Esther-
thought it was.
wait,
I was
listen.
fiddling with it.
When you ask me,
So-
I will say to you, I don't know. Okay?
So it's like a Rubicon big hair surprise. Like what you get in it, and it just does that. And then when you open it, it's got a mirror. So then, oh, there we go. Hello. There's me.
Isabel. Can you find out, mommy or daddy, if you can help us with the TV?
Sure. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Thank you.
Sorry it took so long. So what happens is you get to press that. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh. So it's like it's got bottles on the top of it, so it feels so good. When you open it, mirror, and there's like bristles. You can see that, which I just rub my hands on. And also it's got a popper, which I love. So you can just pop it in a purse case or a pocket, and you can just fill it. I'm basically saying that it's a fiddle toy since it's kind of fiddly. The next two things you'll be surprised for. So yeah, that's one. That one, I'm gonna give this. It's great, but it's not awesome. So
Apple.
if it didn't give like the top, I would like that because we already know what it's to. But you guys got completely different ideas. So I'm sorry if I ruined this. I'm gonna give this 6. I just don't know about it. Okay, we've got 2 left, guys. This one, I've already done this one and this one. So that's exciting. Whew, I'm excited. Oh, my heart's racing. I feel a little sick. So I got this in the mail today because I ordered one of these and then I got one yesterday and I'm getting one tomorrow. Because everything got like mixed up and stuff. So I haven't really played with it. I haven't took the tag off it, as you can see. Got the simple nimble chain off it on it.
Where's Magalicious? Outside, is she?
Magalicious! That's my puppy. Guys, don't.
Where's Meg?
Outside.
She must be. She's opened the door.
So it's got from. The next thing I got from Mine Connect as well.
In the kitchen.
And this is from Mine Connect. You can see it's got a little brain on it. My brother thought it was a crab, but it's a brain because it's Mine Connect. So this is brand new, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm looking at myself, but then heaps of people are supposed to look at that little thing. So I'm looking at myself if it just looks weird.
Yes, Steve.
And then the next one you'll be so surprised that I have. I think I have a few other ones. So I love this one.
No, I don't.
I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10.
I've let them
Actually,
know.
yeah, I love the keychain idea that you can hook it onto a bag instead of like holding it. Instead, why would they add the keychain? My brother's got one. He's got a green and orange one. This is, I was supposed to get a pink and blue one, but I was like, oh, I really wanted the green and purple one. And now I've got the green and purple one, which I'm happy about. I'm going to leave that to that one because I'm also going to get my other one. I'll give you a hint. It's rainbow, as you can see. I put my name on it since I'm going to put, ooh, did I give you a little hint there? Oh, yeah, what is this? What is this? Now, I've always been wanting this my whole entire life. Not my whole entire life, in my entire time that I've been knowing it for. And wow! Oh, you guys must have saw it already. It's a puppet. So I thought not many, like normal YouTubers just do that. Oh, hear that sound. Oh, I'm gonna pop them. Ready? So you just flip it over and you can just pop all the other ones. So I'll take you guys. Oh. hard. And then you can flip it over and you can do all these ones. Oh. Mm-hmm. I love that. Just love it. Yeah.
I get a Lambo for 99 Robux.
What does it look like? I'll be back, guys. You guys can stare at it. No, you can stare at this one. No, you can stare at this.
Let's put the Lambo.
No, you can stare at this. There we go.
What's the game called? The game?
Yeah.
I don't know. I would. Would you actually? 400 Robux. No, it's a starter pack. Oh, so should I buy it? Would you? Would you? Look at the Lamborghini. Would you?
You like playing this game?
But would you?
Do you like playing this game?
No.
Alright. Back. So. Oh! I rated it. 10 out of 10 for me. If you guys have something that's broken already, just go to Mind Connect and they say if they break, if you break it, we'll just kindly send you another one. That's what they said. I just love this way. I love it so much. I brought it to school today, and well, all my friends wanted to play with Summer, Charlie, Madison, Rosie. I was about to say Pixie, but she doesn't know that my school anymore. I love her. More like that, like as a best friend. Thanks for watching. Sorry guys. So what it does is that you smash it. I don't know what it does.
Is a purchases this car?
Yeah? What is it?
It's a Bugatti. Wait, Bugatti? Is it Bugatti Veyron? I don't know. Bugatti Veyron. What is it? That's Bugatti.
My brother just go Bugatti right on.
Guess what color I'm painting it?
Purple.
No. Guess.
Blue.
Orange.
Oh, that's a
Look.
fake. Cool.
Does it look good?
Mhm.
Or does it look better blue?
What is it? Oh, blue for sure. Wait, what does the orange look like? Yeah. I just love the sound of this. Alright. If you guys don't know the puppy game, I'm gonna go do something with my dad. Hi, Maggie.
Is I just bought a car
Dad,
for 400 Robux.
do you want to play Pop It game with me?
Yes, please.
Alright, there we go.
Are you videoing this?
Mhm.
Okay, let's go play it.
Where?
Up on the bench.
Alright. Alison, can you make a video of us?
He's busy, so you're going to have to just manage it.
So I'm gonna put this one, this one, this one. I'm gonna put these three. It's so hard because it's on camera. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh!
Last one.
Who won?
Me.
Isabel. Next one?
I'm gonna put these. It's hard. Ooh! I know what he's gonna do. Oh!
Oh! I set myself up to lose. Oh. Okay.
I win.
I'm gonna go.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my dad's channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.